Hi, I'm Joseph Huling, Regional Service Manager for Takeuchi. Today, we're going to talk about the proper cleaning procedures of your Takeuchi TL series machines. When operating track loaders in environments that generate a great deal of debris and fine material, such as mowing, mulching, and demolition, we recommend the following procedures be performed as often as necessary to keep the machine in safe working order, reduce downtime, and prevent possible fires. First, make sure you have the proper safety equipment on, including hard hat, eye protection, and foot protection. Find a safe area to park the machine and allow it to cool down completely. Start at the rear of the machine and remove all debris from the rear deck before opening. Once the exterior of the machine is free from debris, raise the rear deck lid, open the rear door, remove the 2 bolts from the cooling module, allowing it to swing out, giving you access to both sides. Install the pin to hold into place. Use compressed air to clean both sides of the cooling module, fan area, engine, air conditioning condenser core, and battery compartment. When cleaning around the battery area, take extra care to ensure that all debris is removed from around the battery relay, and loader tower. Next, blow out the rear towers, lift cylinder area, and the side intake screening area located close to the operator's station. The final step is to address the space under the cab, the belly of the machine. Start by removing the 3 belly pans from the bottom of the machine. Remove the 4 cab bolts, lift the cab, and install the safety pin on the rear deck. Depending on material, use either compressed air or water to clean out all accumulated debris and combustible materials from the inside of the machine's belly pan, as well as from areas in proximity to the engine, fuel, and hydraulic oil systems. If you find any fuel leaks or other combustible liquids while cleaning your machine, please contact your authorized Takeuchi service location for repair. While this is intended to be a general guide to cleaning out debris from the machine, Takeuchi recommends the operator read and follow all safe machine operation practices, machine cleanout, and maintenance procedures as outlined in the operator's manual. We want to thank you for taking a look at the guidelines for proper inspection and cleanout of your Takeuchi track loader. For more information or questions on this topic, please visit our website at takeuchi-us.com, our YouTube channel, or your operator's manual.